Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield wipers on a BMW X3. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. You will need new wiper blades, typically 26 inches for the driver's side and 20 inches for the passenger's side, along with a soft cloth. To begin, turn your ignition on, then immediately turn it off. Next, push and hold the wiper stalk down for 3 seconds until the wipers move to their upright service position. With the wipers in service mode, gently lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into a raised position. Be careful not to let the arm snap back, as this could damage your windshield. Now, locate the small release tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade downward, away from the arm, to detach it completely. Now take your new wiper blade and carefully align its connector with the attachment point on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upward onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked into place. Gently tug on the blade to confirm it is firmly attached. Repeat this process for the other wiper arm, ensuring both new blades are correctly installed. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Turn your vehicle's ignition on and activate the wipers to test their functionality. Ensure they sweep smoothly and clear the windshield effectively without any streaks or noise. To return them to their normal resting position, simply turn the ignition off and on again. Remember to replace your wiper blades approximately every 6 months for clear visibility and safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.